The Hotspot widget from Happy Addons helps you make interactive images that can help you highlight important information, get more people interested in your website, and make more sales. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Hotspot widget to highlight the important or relevant parts of an image. But before you go, you need to install and activate the free version of Elementor and Happy Addons, and then purchase the pro version of Happy Addons. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification icon to get time-to-time updates. Let's get started. Find the widget and add it to your preferred area. After you add the widget, you'll get a default interface. You can add an image. Now, after redesigning the entire section, it will look like this one. Let's see the options one by one. On the left sidebar, you can resize the image or select your preferred size for the image. Now click on the spots and customize them individually. Here you can change the icon, adjust the position, and also you can move the item manually using your mouse cursor. Replace it with a text or image. On the tooltip section, you can add your own preferred name. Following the same thing, you can customize other items. Also, you can add more items by clicking on the plus button. Click on the options, and here you can change the position of the tooltip. Speed, delay, hide delay, hide arrow, and hover. Now it's time to stylize the widget. Let's do it from the Style tab. You can design the image width, including its height, padding, border type, border radius, and box shadow. Click on the spots and change the width, height, size, padding, border type, border width, color, border radius, normal and hover color. Lastly, click on the tooltip and change its width, padding, border radius, text color, background color, typography, and box shadow. Another thing, you can also test your design's responsiveness to different moods. Also, you'll get individual styling options for each mode. You can check them out here. So this is how you can use the Hotspot widget on your Elementor site using the Happy Addons. Finally, remember to subscribe and follow our social channels for more information and regular tutorial videos like this one. Stay tuned!